4 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 12. We are to find the value of x. We take solution. 4 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 12. First thing we know, 4 can be expressed in index form with 2 at the base. 4 is equal to 2 times 2, which is simply equal to 2 raised to the power 1, 2. Now, if we take 4 raised to the power x, it will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power 2, all this raised to the power x, which is simply equal to 2 raised to the power 2 times x gives us 2x. In the given problem, we are going to replace 4 raised to the power x with 2 raised to the power 2x. 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power x is equal to 12. The next step, we are going to transfer 12 to the left hand side, which becomes negative 12. And this will give us 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power x minus 12 is equal to 0. At the right hand side, we will be left with 0. The equation 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power x minus 12 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If in case you cannot say this is a quadratic equation, we can express it in a form that can be easily seen. At this level, we can say let E to be equal to 2 raised to the power x. The next step, if we square both sides, then E squared will be equal to 2 raised to the power x, all this squared. Then A squared will simply be equal to 2 raised to the power x times 2 gives us 2x. In the equation 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2 raised to the power x minus 12 equal to 0, we are going to replace 2 raised to the power 2x with a squared and 2 raised to the power x with a. Replacing them, this will give us a squared plus a minus 12 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation a squared plus a minus 12 equal to 0 can easily be solved by the method of factorization. First thing, we are going to start by writing out the factors of the number negative 12. F of negative 12 is equal to, this is a set, we have negative 12, negative 6, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. We have the positive factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and lastly 12. Next thing, from the set of factors of negative 12, we need 2 factors of negative 12 such that their sum is equal to the coefficient of e, which is 1, is equal to 1, and their product, the product of the same factors, is equal to negative 12. We are making use of this approach because the coefficient of e squared is 1. Looking at the set of factors of negative 12, we can make use of 4 and negative 3. 4 plus negative 3 is equal to 1. 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. This will give us a squared plus, we know the coefficient of a is 1. We are going to replace 1 with 4 plus -3. We know positive, negative, negative stays. 4 minus 3 times a minus 12 is equal to 0. The next step, we are going to expand this bracket. This will give us a squared plus 4a, -3 times a minus 3a minus 12 is equal to 0. Next step, we are going to group the terms in pair and we carry out factorization. This is the first pair, the second pair. For the first pair, a is common. We are going to factor out a. A times a gives us a squared plus a times 4 gives us 4a. For the second pair, we are going to factor out -3. -3 times a gives us -3a. -3 times +4 gives us -12. We equate this to 0. We have two terms, and the two terms we have, a plus 4 is common. A plus 4 times a gives us the term a times a plus 4. A plus 4 times -3 gives us the term -3 times a plus 4 is equal to 0. At this level, we are going to say either a plus 4 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0. Solving for a in the two linear equations. For the first one, a will simply be equal to, we are going to transfer +4 to the right, which gives -4. For the second one, we are going to transfer -3 to the right, which gives us +3. We are not solving for a, we are solving for x. We know a is equal to 2 raised to the power x. We are going to replace a with 2 raised to the power x. Replacing a with 2 raised to the power x, this will give us 2 raised to the power x is equal to -4, or 2 raised to the power x is equal to 3. For the first one, it is not possible to raise a positive number to a certain power and we have a negative result. So if we take the first one, for 2 raised to the power x equal to -4, comma, x does not exist in this case. Now if you take 2 star for the second one, 2 raised to the power x equal to 3, then if we take log to the base e on both sides, that is ln, we hear of ln. If we take the ln of a, it is simply equal to the log of a base e. E is a constant. We are going to take ln on both sides. The ln of 2 raised to the power x is equal to the ln of 3. By making use of the law of power, this will give us x ln 2 is equal to ln 3. Next step, we are going to divide both sides by the constant ln 2. X ln 2 divided by ln 2 is equal to ln 3 divided by ln 2. Ln 2 will cancel ln 2. Then x will simply be equal to the ln of 3 all over the ln of 2. Then we conclude, therefore, comma, x is equal to the ln of 3 all over the ln of 2. So this is the final answer.